Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You'll start by making sure you're on an administrator account so you can remove applications cleanly. Once confirmed, quit the app you want removed. Use Force Quit if it hangs. Then open Finder and navigate to the Applications folder. This is where most apps live and where you'll begin the deletion process. Make sure hidden helper utilities aren't running by checking the dock and activity monitor if you suspect background processes. Now remove the application itself. Drag it to the trash or right-click and choose Move to Trash. If you need a cleaner uninstall, open Finder's Go menu, use Go to Folder and check ~library and /library for related support files and caches, then move those to the trash as well. Once done, choose Finder Empty Trash. If files refuse to delete, hold Option while emptying to force removal. This ensures both finish by restarting your Mac to clear any file locks and to verify the app no longer appears in Launchpad or Applications. If files remain or the app resists deletion, use a reputable uninstaller app that removes launch daemons, launch agents, and preference panes. If the app reappears after reboot, check System Settings Users and Groups Login Items and remove any entries. And also look in ~library/launch agents and /library/launch daemons. If problems persist, reboot into safe mode and repeat the removal steps.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.